Well, I've got nothing but doom and gloom to bring you, but there is a light at the end of the tunnel, being a somewhat faint one. Amongst the showers today, there will be at least a bit of sunshine on the horizon, and the main story today is that it's not as bad as it was yesterday, because yesterday we had so many heavy showers around and thunderstorms. Today, fewer thunderstorms and a better chance of getting some drier periods. Now, through the course of the night, what we're going to see is the showers fade away. It turns clear for a time before this round two of wet weather swings in from the Atlantic to affect the southwest of the country. Some very, very heavy rain on the way for the southwest and for southern Wales. In fact, it's prompted the Met Office to issue an early warning for heavy rain. What does that mean? Well, that basically means that the weather's not going to be so good for tomorrow. First of all, let's zoom into the southwest of the country. By the time all is said and done, by the time the rain clears away, we're talking about 50 millimetres of rain across Dartmoor potentially. That's 2 inches of rain. The further east we swing, we also have some very heavy rain around as well, across into the London area too. In fact, by the time we get into the rush hour, it's pretty much a deluge across so many areas as well. Even the graphics can't cope with it jiggering around. Now, as far as the north of the country is concerned, it's not looking too bad at all. In fact, some sunshine around across Newcastle into the central lowlands as well. About 13 degrees for Glasgow and 12 degrees for Belfast too. This is where we'll have the better of the weather. But by the time we get to Wales, once again, some wet weather. It's the southern hills of Wales where we could see 75 millimetres of rain. That's 3 inches. And it looks as though it'll keep raining across the southern half of the UK from dawn till dusk. So a bit of a washout of a day. And while we continue to get soaked in the south, across the north of the country, it'll be a story of sunshine and showers. And here's Glasgow there for you, around 20 degrees. So it's not all bad. Now, of course, with the rainfall comes the threat of flooding. This is the floodline number. We'll be repeating it on the news channel as well. Of course, it looks as though over the next couple of days, with the amount of rainfall that we've already had, there is that real risk for disruption as well. Roads could be flooded, for example. Thursday, it's not over yet. Still some rain around across the north of the country, but it's looking better. Rather than the prolonged rain, it's sunshine and showers. But as we head towards the end of the week, it's still a story of sunshine and showers. That's not likely to change across the south or the north of the UK. Manchester, a disappointing 17 degrees with the showers. I think we're going to wait a very long time before we get a decent spell of summertime weather. So that's it from me, Kate.